If we verified the spark, we've verified the gas, we've done a visual on the pilot flame itself, but we're not getting a proper response from our scanner, we've cleaned the scanner and that doesn't seem to do the trick, we could have a defective scanner. And honestly, it's not a bad part to have spare on hand because it's easy to change out if you need to, and that's a safe, reliable way to verify that it's not the issue. If we've got a good scanner that's verified, the amplifier card as well. We need to make sure that it is the proper amplifier. So in this case, we've got an ultraviolet scanner, we've got an ultraviolet amplifier. We know those are matched. If we've got a new scanner and we're still not getting a flame signal, even though we can visually see it, we're probably going to change out the amplifier. And one thing that I recommend if you've got multiple pieces of equipment that have the same device is you can simply swap an amplifier from one piece of equipment to another and not have to buy a new part to verify or to guarantee that that's the issue before buying another one.